Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry less spicy. One of the easiest ways to reduce heat is by increasing the overall volume of your dish. Simply add more coconut milk, vegetable broth, or even a bit of water to dilute the spice. Incorporating extra ingredients like potatoes, carrots, or bell peppers also works wonders, as they absorb some of the heat and expand the portion size. This method is quick and effective for immediate relief. Another fantastic approach is to introduce dairy or sweetness. A dollop of plain yogurt, sour cream, or heavy cream can significantly cut through the spiciness, adding a lovely creaminess to your curry. For a different flavor profile, try a teaspoon of sugar, honey, or maple syrup. These sweet elements balance the heat beautifully. Even a spoonful of peanut butter can work, offering a nutty richness while reducing the fiery kick. Don't underestimate the power of acidity and fat to combat spice. A squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice not only brightens the flavors, but also helps to neutralize some of the capsaicin, which causes the heat. Similarly, a small amount of vinegar, like rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, can achieve a similar balancing effect. Finally, a drizzle of olive oil or ghee can coat your mouth, providing a barrier against the spice and making it feel less intense. To quickly recap, you have several easy methods to make your curry less spicy. Dilute it with more liquid or extra vegetables, introduce dairy like yogurt or cream, or add a touch of sweetness with sugar or honey. Acidity from lime juice or vinegar and a bit of fat can also work wonders. Experiment with these tips to find your perfect balance. And hey, if you're looking for ways to spice up your financial life, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.